Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today's video is about a tutorial on why having a Sony TV is great when you have also a PlayStation 5. Now, what I'm going to do today is going to show you that with this remote controller of Sony, you can actually start, navigate, and turn off PlayStation 5 without using the controller, straight from the remote controller. I'm going to show you how. Let's get into it, guys. Alright everybody, here's the TV and here's my remote controller, Sony, and we have the PlayStation 5 here on a saving energy mode because it's on yellow. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to start the TV. That's the first thing, and all you have to do is click on this button over here for TVs and you'll find this menu. Once you scroll to the left, Sony 5 here. Click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to start the PlayStation 5 straight from remote. As you can see, now it's on blue. It's going to start the PlayStation 5 through your TV remote controller. There you go. And doing so, you'll be able to navigate through your remote controller. As you can see, all games, everything is going to be navigated through your remote controller, down, up, and OK. You can go to the store and do all the purchasing and viewing everything through your remote controller here. So that's very, very convenient. And also I want to show you that if you actually turn off your TV while PlayStation on with your remote, let's just say you just want to, instead of just turning the PlayStation 5 with your controller and then turn off your TV, all you have to do is just turn off the TV, and then the PlayStation 5 is going to shine. As if you can see now, it's going to go to yellow color, which is the energy saving mode. And doing so, you actually do not consume power. You 0.5 watts, like very, very minimum. It's not much. So doing so, you're saving. If you actually want to turn it on again, there you go. So if you want to turn it on again, all you have to do is just open the TV with your PlayStation or with your controller, sorry, and then the PlayStation 5 is going to run smoothly. So this method is like as good as turned it off completely. There's no energy consumption here. This is the best thing about the PlayStation 5 is the energy saving mode, and I really love it because sometimes you want to work with like, for example, if you want to check out with your downloads, if you're downloading games, if you're downloading stuff there, you don't want to keep it at this stage instead of make it running fully power. So this is very, very minimal power, 0.5 watts. That's nothing. Yeah, that's nothing. So if you want to actually turn it on without the controller, you can just turn it on and it's going to turn your PlayStation 5 again as usual. And this is very, very great method that you can actually work with your PlayStation 5. Let me just see. PlayStation 5, yeah, there you go. All I have to do is just put it on PlayStation 5 HDMI and it's gonna work with you. So that's a quick look at this remote controller, what things can happen. And if you're asking about the resolution, all you have to do, if you have a Sony TV, just click on this area over here, or this button over here. Let me show you if you can focus. Not too much light, guys, but anyways, click on the right corner here. Once you click it, you will see that it's actually at 4K, 16:9 HDR and HDR10. That's the best resolution you can get here, guys. And it's very, very nice and smooth, very rich colors. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. See you in another video.